0-1 pitch to the right-handed batter. Slow curve and a run batted in. A fastball right in there. Called strike 3 after 2 slow. Joyner making his second. 1-0. Tipped foul. 1 ball, 1 strike. Next pitch. Fouled back. Here comes the 1-2. Inside. Fajardo. Low windup. Fires high and away. Now deals a 3-2 pitch. And Fajardo fouls the at bat on the way. Now it's waved at and missed. Swung through a fastball for strike 3, and Zhuang has K'd the first 2 of the inning. Well, that'll bring in Julio Rodriguez.
Catcher number 26, Julio Rodriguez.
Available for folks we kind of hope you never are used, but stuff happens in life. What's been going on since we talked to you about a year ago in terms of big projects for you?
Well, big projects. We had over at the state capitol. They had a situation over there that we.
There's a liner up the middle. Rambush is there though. It makes the catch. Lyle Lynn is out number 2. Go ahead, Peyton.
Anyway, they had a fire at state capitol, and we helped them with that.
There you go.
And that was about an 8-month project.
Oh wow.
And I've had multiple high rises. If you look around the cityscape here across from the park, we work in about 95.
64 pitches through 4 1/3, and he throws strike 1 to Lyle Lynn.
Thing that happened.
Just what they need.
About
Another
a month
weapon.
Or so ago, another weapon.
A little roller to third. Callie barehanding, nice play, 2 out.
But when I played, there was only like 3 bat companies: Louisville Slugger, of Hilrich and Badsby, and Adirondack. Now there's like 10 or 12 bat companies. Yeah. Individual companies are making bats for players, and they're all made out of maple now. It used to be white ash, but it's all different. But you know, I think it's a preference.
Ball 1 inside. Swinging thanks to Fergie Jenkins and Richard Allen Jr. Labrada trying to bunt to be here tonight. 1-2 pitch. 1-2 on the way. Downstairs. Most of the 1965 season before the Phillies called him up for his big league debut. Swing and a miss. Labrada, he's gone on strikes. And he looks at swing and a miss. Windish. Take the count on Windish. And a pitch down and away. Swing and a miss. Windish gone on strikes. Moves back, hoping for a traditional double play chance. Lynn showing bunt as ball 1 runs wide. That one nearly got away from Floyd. Rodriguez able to stop it though. Deals a 1-0 to Lynn. Showing bunt, bunts it out in front of the plate. Floyd's got it, tries to flip home, can't come up with it cleanly, and the run scores. Floyd racing in, tried to barehand it and underhand to home and just couldn't squeeze the baseball for the toss. We're tied at 1. It goes as a bunt hit and an RBI for Lyle Lynn.
The left fielder number 5.
It was a good bunt. I think under any circumstance, the only chance for a play there was 0-1. Low outside. Next pitch. Fouled back. Strikes to Hood. And Emanuels catches him looking. Strike 3. Fastball. Caught him looking. So Hood is out number 1 in the 7th.
The right fielder number 7, Joyner Fajardo.
Here's Joyner for the right-hander's pitch. Down and in. 1-0. Again down and in. Sliding block by Lynn. Saves a run. 2-0 pitch. Right in for another pitch. Fouled away left side. Push the pitch. Check swing on a ball down and in. They say he went. It got away, but Lynn's on it and throws down to first to end the inning. Nasty breaking ball from Stevie Emanuel. Swing and a foul back. Strike 2 to Lynn, who is 1 out of 3, an RB. Pitch is outside. Swing and a foul off to the right. Again a pitch. Breaks too far in, 2-2. Body turns, fires. Shot just foul up the right field line. In 1 year at Texas A&M. Pitch is low, 3-2. Still was not 3-2 now to Lynn. Ball 4 breaks down and in. Lynn checked his swing in time. It's a leadoff walk. Well, the number 9 hitter on for free to start the 9th.
The left fielder,
Brandon
number
Garcia
5,
just
Junior
needs
Perez.
experience. Here he comes. A little bit high. 3-2. High ball 4. He walks a third. A 1. Hit in the air, center field. Knight treks to his left, settles under it, makes the grab. Tagging, scoring from third is Lynn. Throw goes to third, safe. Close play. Knight showing off a strong arm. But Junior Perez got in under the tag. A sac fly makes it 3-1 Rockhounds. 1 out. Runners at second and third now.
Number 4, Uribiel Angeles.
Bolte driving in the run. And he looks at ball 1 low. 1-0 pitch. Fastball again low. Ball hander. He fires. Rodriguez comes. Fastball rolled foul left side. Anders pitch. Swung on and missed. Got him with a slider. And that's the ball game. Midland wins 3-1. They've won 2.